We present to your attention an automatic car air conditioner refueling unit equipped with a printer and a leak test. In this video we will explain in detail all the features of this installation, as well as show in detail all the stages of work. Before use, remove the transportation screw securing the position of the refrigerant scales. Install it every time you plan to move the rig. If necessary, always relieve excessive pressure in the internal tank using the pressure relief ball valve, located on the left side wall of the unit. Turn on the installation. Before refueling the car air conditioner, the internal tank must be filled. Connect the HP connector to the external cylinder. Open the valve and install the cylinder according to the upside down marking on the cylinder. In the installation menu, select the tank charging mode. Enter the amount of Freon required for charging. Start the refueling mode by pressing the OK button on the display. Please note, it is recommended to always maintain 4 to 6 kilograms of refrigerant in the system tank for normal operation. When the refueling is complete, the unit will signal the end with an acoustic signal. Close the valve on the external cylinder and press OK. The unit will evacuate the remaining refrigerant from the hoses and the internal circuit. The unit has a manual mode and an auto mode. The operation on refueling the car air conditioner on the video we will carry out in automatic mode, but before that we will show how to use the manual mode. Connect the red HP high pressure hose and the blue LP low pressure hose to the outlets of the vehicle's air conditioning system or refrigerated unit using quick release adapters. Drain after connecting the hoses to the vehicle's air conditioning system outlets. Select Drain from the main menu. In this cycle, the unit pumps out the clad agent from the system, separates it from the oil, dries it and cleans it of impurities. Vacuuming leak search. Specify a vacuuming duration between 2 and 60 minutes. And the leakage test time from 0 to 30 minutes and confirm with the OK button. Once the vacuuming process is complete, the unit will proceed to vacuum leakage testing. If a leak is present, a message will appear on the screen. Filling. At this stage, the system is charged with refrigerant and new oil. Depending on the engine type, choose regular refueling for internal combustion engines or fast refueling for hybrid and electric vehicles. Activating the function of flushing the hoses with liquid Freon to remove oil residues is mandatory when changing the oil type. For example, if you are starting to service electric or hybrid vehicles. This procedure is not necessary in normal operation. Enter the amount of new oil to be filled into the system. Specify the amount of ultraviolet indicator additive, leak detection fluid to be added to the system. Enter the amount of refrigerant to be charged by manual vaulting or by selecting from the database. Select the circuit through which the refilling will take place. Auto mode allows you to perform a complete list of services for your vehicle's air conditioning system in one cycle. If you are servicing a vehicle with an internal combustion engine, choose conventional refueling. Hose flushing. Flushing with liquid refrigerant to remove oil residues inside the hoses is not mandatory in this case. If you service an electric or hybrid vehicle, choose a quick refuel. Flushing the hose before oil injection and refrigerant charging is mandatory in this case. Next step. Set the vacuuming time and leak test time. Use the auto oil additive function. That means how much was drained, how much was poured in. Or specify the volume of oil to be filled manually, as well as the UV additive injection. Select the circuit through which the refilling will take place. Enter the refrigerant volume to be charged manually or from the database. After setting the parameters and confirming the startup, the plant will start the complete cycle in automatic mode. Pumping stage with measurement of the amount of sampled latigen and waste oil. Vacuuming stage with leak test of the system. Refueling stage according to the set parameters. At the end of the procedure, a refueling report will be displayed with the option to print a receipt on the printer. Use a special temperature measuring device to check the result. We do not fix the minimum temperature in this case. You can see from the result that there is an instantaneous cooling of the temperature. The air conditioner refill was successful. It should also be noted that the unit has high maneuverability due to 4 wheels, 2 of which are swivel and equipped with a stopper.